stopping by. Glad you clicked on my October Joyful Jordan box video. You are not going to want to miss it. Hey y'all, for those of you who don't know me, my name's Tracy Hyde. Welcome to my channel. I'm a Jordan Essentials consultant, and before we go too far, click that subscribe button. I am trying to reach 500 subscribers. I'm really excited to share all I know and find out questions that other people have about Jordan Essentials so that I can answer those too, or go find the answers if I don't know the answer, right? Okay. All right. So October, here we go. We're jumping into fall. We're jumping into sweater weather. It's bonfires and sweatshirts and sweats, all the things, right? Plaid, let's get it in. I'm in for it. So listen, the October Joyful Jordan box is gorgeous. I'm just gonna tell you. So this little box of awesomeness deserves to brighten your day. Okay, so first of all, always comes with an amazing little card that talks about everything. It's got a cute little saying on the front, talks about everything that's in the box. Let's get started. Are you ready? So it says fall breeze, autumn leaves, pumpkins, and gratitude. Absolutely. You've heard me talk about self-care, whether it's here, whether it's on TikTok or on my Facebook page. Gratitude, self-care go hand in hand. Gratitude is a perspective, a frame of mind. When you start with gratitude in mind, you see all the good things, okay? So what's in our box? I'm going to tell you. I'm going to kind of leave it right there. Pumpkin Vanilla Sugar Scrub. OMG. Okay, have you ever tried our sugar scrubs or our salt scrubs? Whoosh, they're amazing. This one says, exfoliate and renew your skin with a blend of natural oils, sugar, and a cozy scent of spiced pumpkin and creamy vanilla. Massage into wet skin in a circular motion during shower or bath, focusing on rough parts. Rinse and pat dry. Listen, we need it. Pumpkin Vanilla Shea Body Butter. Okay, so we've done the Pumpkin Vanilla Sugar Scrub in the shower or bath, and we've polished up those rough spots. Now we're going to add some shea butter to make it all soft and smooth, okay? So not all of our shea butters have magnesium in them, just for you to know. But wrap your skin in rich hydration, sealing in moisture with a warm, sweet scent of fall. Smooth onto skin after a shower or bath, focusing on dry areas like hands, feet, and elbows. Perfect for after the Pumpkin Vanilla Sugar Scrub. Just what I said. Listen, as a Jordy, I'm right there. Jordan Essentials has me. I totally know. And then this amazing Gratitude Blend Essential Oil Roller. Okay. So maybe you've tried our Helio roller or our Copa Calm essential oil roller, okay? So we love those. The oil rollers, they just soak right in. They smell wonderful. We love to have them around. So this one says, complete your routine by rolling on the perfect blend of peppermint, frankincense, sweet orange, and magnesium to uplift, balance, and calm your spirit while inspiring gratitude. Roll onto pulse points like your wrists, temples, neck, or behind your ears for aromatherapy. Rub into hands, cup over face, and breathe it in. Okay, so this is super simple. I love these. They tell us what's in it. They tell us how to use them. And then it gives us a little something to sort of keep in mind. Okay, so absolutely put this on the palms of your hands and then put it by your nose and take a deep breath. That frankincense is amazing. First of all, the sweet orange, what an uplifting scent for your mood. The frankincense will do that for you too. The peppermint will do that. I use our peppermint magnesium lotion to get me going for the day. And then I use the Copa Calm to wind down at night before bed, right? So we know how to use our aromas, our scents, fragrances, flavors, whatever you want to call them, to best serve us. Now, this isn't the only amazing thing that's coming out in October. You're going to want to look out for the holiday gift giving guide video that I have coming. but this is a good start. We also have an amazing host special for the month that might have something to do with pumpkin and gratitude. So take a look. Be on the lookout. Those videos, if you haven't already seen them, they are coming. Or go back and check out my content and see. Don't forget to hit that like button and that share button for somebody else you know who needs to see this stuff. And then hit that subscribe button. I know I already asked you before, but hit it. Hit that subscribe button down below, because we are working to grow our community to 500 and more. Okay? Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you'll do all of those things. Maybe come back and buy one. There'll be links in the first comment below. Because listen, who doesn't need a little bit of pumpkin, vanilla, and gratitude in their life? I know, we all need it. So thanks so much. Have a wonderful day. Do me one more favor. Can you go watch another video? Thanks so much. Bye.